Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is basically what my hair looks like. Because I have 4C hair, I usually have to braid my hair to stretch it. That's the easiest way for me to stretch it. So I did that the night before and then I loosened it this morning. Then I am going to go ahead and start sectioning off the part of my hair that I want to be the parting space of this hair that I'm doing, right? So I'm basically just creating this kind of curved part. Then I'm going to go ahead and section off the part that I would do cornrows. So now I'm just applying some edge control because I want to twist this part out of the way. So now I'm going to go ahead and start sectioning off the part that I actually want to braid. So I'm doing this first one right now, and guys, when I tell you that this was a big struggle, like, oh my gosh, I'm just thinking of that day and I'm like, yeah, nope. But anyways, after sectioning off a part that I want to cornrow, I'm then going to go in with this edge control and I'm going to just smooth the edge control on the parting space. And then I'm taking some braiding hair and I'm going to use that to do the cornrows. Basically, this is not a cornrow tutorial because it's just going to be hard to record something like that, man. People that record that, kudos to you guys. But I'm starting off with my natural hair that I'm going to add hair as I go, braiding hair as I go, and the braiding hair I add increases every time I add it, right? So I think I added like 3 times or 4 times, I can't really remember, but I just braid a little bit, then I add, braid a little bit, and then I add. I was basically just doing feed in cornrows. So if you don't know how to cornrow, just find a tutorial on how to do feed in cornrows and girl, you'll be good. So now I'm going to add just 1 strand of the passion twist hair, just like how I've been adding the braiding hair, and I'm going to add it towards the end of the braids that I've been doing. So now I'm just going to go ahead and keep twisting. I have a ton of passion twist tutorials on my channel, so I'm going to go ahead and leave links to videos where I was doing passion twist so you guys can see up close how to properly do passion twist. So now I'm basically just going to go ahead and continue doing cornrows till I'm done. Guys, when I tell you I was getting so tired, like my hands were killing me. Oh my gosh, after I did this first 3, I literally just went and I rested for like I think almost 2 hours, and then I came back and continued. Man, this thing was not easy, I'm not even going to lie. So now I'm finally done with the cornrow part. Jesus Christ, guys, victory. I'm so happy. So now I'm going to go ahead and start doing the individual braids, and basically what I'm going to do is apply edge control to a part of my hair, section it out, and I'm going to actually twist my own natural hair. So I do like, I braid like 3 times or so. I just braid a little bit and then I twisted the rest of the hair. The reason I'm doing this is because my grip with extension on my own natural hair isn't that good, and I wanted this hair to last for a little while, so I decided to do it this way. So once I was done with that, I just went ahead and I used this crochet needle. I put it under the braid that I did with my natural hair, hooked on the passion twist hair, and then I started twisting it just like regular, like nothing special now about this. Just basically hook on the passion twist hair to the crochet needle, and then just keep twisting till you get to the end. So now I'm basically just doing the entire back. I'm just braiding my own natural hair just so that it will be a lot faster when I have to start putting the passion twist hair on my hair. I'm going to show you guys one more time how I did that, but I'm going to keep quiet so you guys can watch it and see what I did. So now I'm just taking this gold string and I'm using that to decorate my hair. This is literally the last step. This was a very tedious process. Actually, the beginning was the tedious process. Even putting the gold string was actually kind of hard for me. I don't know why. But anyways, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment before you leave, and let me know what other videos you guys would like to see. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. My Instagram name is right on the screen. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.